Doing this one thing inside of my Adobe Premiere Pro workflow has saved me so much time. And the funniest part is that it is super easy for you to do yourself. But before we go ahead and get inside of the tutorial, I want to let you guys know that my name is Boustedt and I run the Takeover shop, where I set editing assets and presets for short form content creators just like you. But with that out of the way, let's go ahead and get started in today's tutorial. Okay, so today what I'm going to be sharing with you guys, like this one secret trick, which it's not really a secret. It's literally going and adding the transform, but also here, let's just show you guys. Drag and drop the preset onto your timeline or your clip. It already has the motion blur sort of enabled, so that way you don't have to go in each and every single time and enable it. And if you're an editor, then you know that like it's pretty annoying to have to do that each and every single time, which, by the way, shout out to Tiny Tapes. He's the one that actually showed me this sort of tip. Pretty far. But anyways, I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of show you guys like how to save the preset. So you guys want to go to transform, drag and drop, and then you guys just simply want to go to uncheck this and then just drag this all the way up to 360. Then this is going to allow you to add motion blur. So you go right click, save preset, and then just do transform and then do with motion blur, just like that, and then hit OK. And then it's going to save inside of your presets. Now, if you work with an editing pack just like me, shout out Takeover presets, go cop them down below. Then just having this inside of your workflow sort of content editing pack and just having it open at all times, available to just drag and drop, is a game changer.
Schmo, click and follow on your profile. These follower ads should...
And you're like, okay, I want like a transform, they just drag and drop it just like so. And then you just go maybe keyframe, another keyframe, zoom in, and then just you're good to go
on your profile. These follower ads
should
be simple,
you have like the
creatives
zoom in transform effect already there with motion blur applied. But anyways, guys, that is the tip for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe down below. If you guys want to go ahead and watch this video on how to edit reels like Tom Noski, go ahead, check it out. That's it for me today. Remember, take action, take over. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.